beautiful Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome indeed. So H&M and Mugler collaborated and gave us one of the most fabulous collections that I have seen in a minute. And darlings, when I tell you I have a couple of pieces to show you, I want to thank Jerry. Jerry is also known as Fashion Is My Thing on Instagram. Guys, she is the best personal shopper I know. She was the one that got me the collection. She was the one that got me the pieces, everything that I wanted. She was able to get for me. She's absolutely fabulous. And when I tell you that dress that you think, oh, I cannot get, Jerry will find it for you. So Jerry, thank you. Thank you very much for making my fashion dreams come true. You are the best and I love you and I adore you. Thank you very much. So let us get into it, shall we? So I am wearing one of the pieces. I'm going to get up so that you can see what it looks like. And I just paired it up with a t-shirt. There you go. So these are the leggings. Do we live? Do we love? I just love the color combination. I can go out, I can wear this with my sneakers, I can wear it with high heels. And then when you turn the back, just look at how fabulous it is. It's a bit racy, but I don't mind it. And I can always wear like a long shirt over this if I think that, you know, maybe where I'm going is a little bit, you know, too racy, picking up Adrian, you know what I mean? But I absolutely love them. And then let me lift up my leg. Well, I've got socks on. I should take this off so that you can see what they look like. There you go. So they are absolutely fun, absolutely fabulous. I am living for them. So this is one of the pieces from the Mugler collection that I got. I got some nails. Why not? Let me open them. So there you go. And as far as I'm concerned, I know that the appropriate occasion will show up and I will wear them. I just thought, why not? Why not? Why not? Do we live? Do we love? So look, there are two sets. There you go. And I'm absolutely certain that I will have some kind of photo shoot, something that I will want this, and I'll just use them then. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Then we got Mugler gloves. These were sheer gloves. And for me, I always like to have pieces because you would be surprised. That dress will show up and you'll be like, ah ha 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 ha. I know what will go with this perfectly. There we go. And just look at them. So let's take them out and see. Considering that I'm wearing a little tank top, let's see. So I'm putting it on and I love it already. There we go. And it goes all the way up. Do you see? Is this not fabulous? I live for it. So I got these and they're kind of sheer. It works. I'm a medium, I would say. It's not tight. Feels lovely. Texture feels great. Yeah. Fabulosity. Nice. I absolutely loved this. It's a very classic Mugler, yeah, and that's with the paneling. I'm going to put a picture up so that you guys can see. This is the front. You can see the label in there, and then this is the back. Jerry was telling me that they ran very small because I'm a size 12, 10, 12, and so she said, for me, you have to go up to a 14 because of the leg length, because you're tall. I loved the fact that it had this little strap that you could put underneath your foot, and then you could just bring it all the way up to your waist, and it has like the Mugler detail. It came in a brown panel. It came in a light tan panel and it came in a black. But the brown looked cheap. The mesh looked cheap to me. You know, sometimes when you get a dress made, or you see people getting dresses made, and you can see how they're trying to match the skin tone with this very off-color mesh, it just looks cheap. So I told her, get me the black, and I'll stick with that. When I tell you this is fabulous, it is fabulous. And then this is the top, and it's a body, and you just snap it in at the crotch. And I was able to wear a bra with this that actually went in my collection, that actually went in line with the Mugler detail paneling right in the middle, right here. Absolutely beautiful. I will wear it together. I will wear it separately. You can wear this with a skirt. You can wear this again with a shirt. It's not a big deal. And you have the panels all the way down. And it's not revealing at all. The crotch is completely covered. And then you have the same in the back. And you can wear black tights also underneath it, footless black tights, because it doesn't go all the way. It's still gorgeous. I love this. They're just pieces that you can constantly work with and rotate in your wardrobe. Yeah, not bad. They don't give you hangers in H&M, so you have to improvise. And this was what I wanted of everything. Jerry said, Fumi, if I can get only one thing, what would it be? And I wanted the oversized jacket with the big shoulders. I saw this on Grace Jones, and I've always loved a jacket like that. I don't know where she got that jacket, but here it is. And when I tell you, it will be a constant staple. Constant staple. I wore it the other day, and when I tell you, I was getting compliments left and right. Absolutely beautiful. This is a medium. Majority of all that I had were mediums, and it's funny because I'm not really crazy about black, but if you give me something that is structured, that is sharp, okay. And this, my darling, fabulosity, lived for it. Then we had the skirt. I bought the skirt for the simple reason that I like the fact that you could cover the crotch, you could cover the bottom if you felt it was too racy. For example, remember when I was talking about this, you can easily wear this and it will cover. Do you see what I mean? And that's what I liked about it. And I thought, you know what? This is a good piece to have, and you can wear it with a long t-shirt like I'm wearing. You can wear this with leggings underneath. You can wear this with tights. It's a nice, fabulous, structured skirt that I also wore with the jacket. When I tell you sharp, loved this. This life. It fit like a glove, and I loved the paneling of this. It's so gorgeous. I used to have something like this way back in the day, and it was the color of champagne. To have this cinched in corset, when I tell you, it's cinched in, and I wore it with a beautiful black skirt. The straps here that you can adjust, and it fit into the bust because my bust is still big. I've lost weight, but the bust is still there. I'm still what you see, and gorgeous. Then in the back, it just gives you that beautiful, almost like a whole back. You could see the back. Gorgeousness. I love this. I'm going to wear this many a time. I'll wear it with the jacket. I'll wear it with a white jacket. I'll wear it with various skirts, with pants. It just cinches you all in. This was a must-have, and I loved it. Again, you can see the paneling. He did a very good job with this. I absolutely love it. And this was the skirt I wore it with. This is by Aisha Abu-Bakr. She's a wonderful Nigerian designer, and this skirt was gifted to me by her. I absolutely love it. I have never had anything like this. I'm going to put all of her details right here below. You guys check her out. She creates some of the most beautiful pieces, and it was my publicist, my beautiful Corinne, who invited me to her showroom. I'll put a picture up also of Corinne. She's wearing like a beautiful white brocade detail. And as far as I'm concerned, that's kind of red carpet if you're going to a wedding and you want to look fabulous. Yes, ma'am. So this, my darling, is by Aisha Abu-Bakr. Check her out. I love this. It's so structured in front, and then it's got that beautiful, you know, chiffon-esque femininity in the back. Gorgeous. And it comes in a slew of different colors. Yes, it does. But you know, we were doing black and I wanted a beautiful skirt to go with this corset, and this was everything. Oh, look at the picture. Love it. Absolutely love it. This is fire. You know, when I saw the website, because I looked through everything, I saw the trouser, and what I loved about it was the detail at the bottom of this pant. When I tell you, it fits like a glove. What I didn't know, I just thought that they just had like little gaps on the side. Let me take this hanger off so that you can really see what I'm talking about. Do you see? And it had this. This was how it showed up on the website. So I just thought that it just had a little gap on the sides. Come to find out that it's the whole waistband. And so what happens? The trouser just falls down and shows the lower back of you. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I said, wowie, I lived for it. And this, my darling, because you might be wondering what size this was. It doesn't say. Oh, it's an American 8. It's an American 8. So what's that? That's like a 10. Yeah, this was a 10. And it just fit me beautifully. This is one of the most beautiful black trousers I have ever owned. And I live for them. Again, you can wear full bodice so your lower back is not completely bare. Go right ahead. That's what I liked about these pieces. You can show or you can cover it up. It's not a problem. Gorgeous. These are tights, and it has that beautiful line right in the middle. I wore this, and I wore the skirt. I wore the jacket, and it was life for me. I want something like this because I wear this with my black dresses. I like that 1940s inspired glam. I love that with just that slash of a red lip. Yes. And this, my darling, is such good quality. So very, very strong. And then look at the back as well. It has like the bottom, you know. But then that's why I've got the little skirt, so that it could cover that part and it could look absolutely fabulous. Live for it. And last but not least, and I got a white one. I bought the white one online because I wasn't sure if they would sell out, and they kind of sort of didn't. It is the beautiful bodice, the absolute gorgeous bodice. And again, I wore this, and I wore the black structured jacket over it. I wore my skirt and I wore the tights, and it just played in together. Fabulous. And I got it also in white. When I get the white one, I'll also do like a little photo shoot for you guys so you can see what it looks like. And that is what I got from H&M times Mugler. Let me know if you guys were able to get any pieces. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you don't like. And I will see you guys when? Sooner than later. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted something different today, so let's do a little bit of fashion. All right, darlings. See you soon. All of my love. Bye.